Made it. Vegas. Welcome to Sin City. Well, actually it's Vegas, but you know what's really cool about the whole thing is it's actually more importantly is it's Con Expo. This is where the Con Expo sign was last time when you go down the escalator. Same thing? Same thing. Hey, that's us. Hey, how's it going? Hey, good to see you, man. See that? Yeah, man, that's what it's all about. Yeah, Jake, you gotta carry your own. All right, look at this. It's warm, it's hot, I'm thirsty, I'm hungry. Let's go check out our rooms. Louis Vuitton. Where's the Rolex store? Need to knock out my $300 watch for time for a Rolex. No, I quit doing YouTube, so I can't afford it now. You guys, yeah, like you guys, I get a Rolex. Yeah, that's the Eiffel Tower. That's the Eiffel Tower, Jake. It's the Eiffel Tower. All right, this is home for the next week. Oh, this'll do. Come on in, brother. Oh, look at the things opening. Oh, wow, this is fucking crazy. Yeah, this is pretty fucking kick-ass. Bro. What? There's only one reason you want a mirror above you. Oh, sick. I don't see the goddamn spirits on the other side. That's okay. Wow, that bathroom's crazy. I can brush my teeth here. I could do my hair here. And then I could, I don't fucking know, shave my face here. Get my mustache going, got polish. Bro, these rooms are kick-ass. Blah. Man, we're here, we made it. We're here. We're in Vegas. We've been talking about this forever. We got the Revive kit here for when Jake's a little hungover. Fiji water. My visa is on file. Don't touch these. Don't even think about touching them. If you have drinks and I didn't. What the f?
You didn't have drinks?
Mine is, bro, mine's empty. No way. Why is yours full? Dude, you have Modelo, you got vodka, you got White Claws. Whose other videographer stays in a fucking room like this? Maybe like people that have millions of followers, not guys that are just barely scraping it by. Honda. We do some YouTube stuff, and I'm here in town for the construction show.
Okay.
And I don't know, I kind of want to like take something out to like the Red Rock Canyon, like Red Rock National Park.
Absolutely. You're from Canada.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So what do we do now?
Putting some sticks in my plans here, dude.
Yeah, okay. So tell me what I can take. I'm from Canada.
Anything, you could drive anything you wanted in Canada. Once you come out here, to protect themselves from getting smacked in the mouth with a huge claim, they'll cap you out, say at 75,000 Canadian.
Calling in to be like a good grocery getter for the wife, you know? That's what I was thinking. Holy. Oh, that's cool. Oh, I can't wait till we're not in the city.
Ain't gotta wait to make them movies, I be loaded. Why you watching drinking 40s, I just told it. Still that same nigga in a foreign, but it's stolen. Ryan sporty, acting sporty, can't control it. I'm doing fraud, I got that bag, yeah, I'm transporting. I got that bag on me, nigga, like I'm transporting. He dropped the mixtape, thought I would've
Finally going to the show. It's opening day, Con Expo. Everybody's got some of their new Lululemon gear on. Is that what we're taking?
Yeah, we have to.
Okay.
Ken White. So
all right.
they got us the best.
Well, times are tough. We're taking a yellow cab. Hey, there's a drag queen show this week. We should check it out. Where's Dad up front?
I'm in charge.
Okay.
Going to the convention center, like there.
It's the festival grounds. Don't listen to him. Don't take us to the convention center.
Welcome to the show, welcome to the home of the world's biggest rodeo, where the stars light up the night underneath that Texas sky. Welcome to the show, are you ready for a ride? Yeah, you better buckle up and hold on tight, where the Bayou City streets meet the country roads. Welcome to the show.
Holy these things are big. So we have a project that we're going to be doing, and we potentially need one or two of these, which is pretty crazy. This is a big ass project. 88,000 pounds. This is a ripper on this beast. Bro, that's crazy. These things are humongous. Taller than me, the ripper. But really, we just bought a shank for our 336 to do land clearing to rip up stumps, and honestly, it's probably the same. It's probably just a smidge smaller, but it's a single ripper tooth. This makes our D5 look super small. Good to see you. Yeah, you as well.
Hello.
Taylor, nice to meet you. Yeah. Yeah, how's it going? It's been a long time. It has been. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah. That's me. Oh, look at this. What size did Jimmy think I was? Oh, you got it right. XL. Sanding gear. The cat guys are gonna love seeing me wearing that. What brand do you run?
I have
all kinds?
Cat and Komatsu.
Nice. Those are good brands. Jim, you going all out, eh, on your podcast and stuff? Good job. It's f***ing sick. You've been killing it. You've been doing a good job. Is it you guys mainly? No?
She's like,
oh.
you're like, you think it's him?
support, guys. We have to start a group text, okay?
That's what I said. We have to communicate. To be honest.
We should start a union.
What are we asking?
No. You're that guy. He just said he wanted to start a union.
When I talk that word here, rules on my podcast at home is pretty much two things. One, don't talk about drugs. There's no good way to bring up drugs. And two, nothing about the we will not talk about the at all. That's it.
Coke and union. Don't bring it up.
Correct.
But the day we left, it was minus 29 degrees
Oh,
Celsius.
here comes the Canadian telling us about how cold it is.
And our maple syrup was freezing. That's how cold it was when we left our igloo.
I don't know what direction. Once we get the sheet of paper from them, we'll understand our direction and what they want us to do. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Big fan, brother.
Appreciate it, guys. Take care. Okay, cool. Let's go get something to eat. I'm frame mogging. I got all the new lingo these days. Like, I'm frame mogging everybody right now.
You totally frame mugged that panel,
totally
dude.
I frame mogged that panel, didn't I? Well, I've been look maxing. I've been bone smashing.
Oh,
No way, dude. Film this. Get this. Oh, you guys are all dude. We're messing with it. No one's gonna look at anything now because no one's gonna believe anybody.
Dude, my neck wanted to turn, but my mind was.
Actually, Dad and Joe yesterday, Jake, they said that they really wanted to be on the YouTube, so let's make sure to film them lost today. Did we say that? Yep.
No, we didn't.
Jake, they did.
Keep me out of it.
Don't put that on.
All right, let's get a good video of the money shot right here. Better or worse than 3 years ago?
You look heavier.
I didn't shave that day though. That's who I'm doing it with today. Okay, unlimited pass if you get a work hard tattoo. Like, or my name.
That's a little. I mean, I could pass it off as Taylor Swift. True.
No, it has to have one last name too. Full name actually, middle name Taylor William David White. She's getting work harder tattoo tonight.
Love that.
I think you should.
I would do that.
There he is.
Getting matching tattoos.
Oh,
Yeah, is that? Are you in? He's on him.
Oh, thank
He
you.
told me to stop and give you one.
I love it.
Yeah.
Thank you
Are you
so
guys
much.
giving those shirts out? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Stick around. Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. It's a keychain. We're on the Antiques Fair board. We're in a small town. And he's 45. I'm 30, 39, 30.
I was like, whoa, I thought we
And we both get classified as the young guns. Yeah, that's awesome. I'm like, we are not even in the same age bracket.
So stick around. We have some exclusive, like limited edition Con Expo, Ken White construction shirts we're gonna give out at the end of the recording. There's a limited amount of 50, so first 50 people will get an exclusive t-shirt, but now we're just gonna hand it off to, the people you actually wanna hear from.
All right, welcome everybody. Thanks for coming out to the community zone. It means a lot. You guys are probably here to see Mike over me, so that's good. As Melissa mentioned, I am your host, Taylor White.
Round of applause, everybody. Thank you for coming on the podcast today, sharing all your info. Really appreciate it. We'll catch you guys on the next podcast.
You're the inspiration of my son. I'm from Canada.
No way. Where from?
Nova Scotia.
Oh yeah?
We've done anything you wanted. I started watching you, brother, and that's why I'm here.
I love it.
I've been here an hour beforehand.
I
Just
love
for him.
it. I love it. Thank you.
He's got me so proud. But you signed my his hat.
Yeah.
This is their logo he made and everything.
Yeah, here's good.
Anything.
No, thanks,
You convinced us to buy a Rototilt.
Yeah? Sick. Tell Rototilt that. Tell him to give me a check. Yo.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming out, man.
No problem. Thank you. Get it.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thanks, man.
Sign me.
Oh, no way.
I got like 3 of them. Come on.
You get the bag, tumbling. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blood in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, jumping it up in the stash.
Thank you everybody for watching the video. I know that it has been a crazy long time since I've posted something. I just wanted to clearly let everybody know kind of why I wanted to switch things up. You'll notice the channel is Taylor White. On Instagram, I'll put all my stuff here where I'm gonna start posting that. When I first started Ken White Construction, posting it online, not the business itself, you guys definitely remind me that it is not mine and I am third generation. You guys have supported me for so long, all the fans, and you guys have seen it kind of grow from, it was just me with a backhoe and a GoPro plowing the storage, to growing Ken White Construction to the size it is now, to having Pride Tech where we're building dealerships and we got 4 or 5 projects all over the city. I had no kids, now I have 3 under 4. We just bought a farm, I wanna redo stuff. There's aspects of my life that it just doesn't truly reflect Ken White Construction. And it feels weird showing my life and what I'm doing when it's just Ken White Construction. And I think you guys can kind of relate to that. Like, I want to show more. I want to show building the businesses. I want to show the backgrounds of Ken White Construction, but also the backgrounds of Pride Tech, the backgrounds of managing, being a dad of 3 and a husband, and how that comes into effect with being a business owner. I want to talk about fitness. That's a big part of my life as well too. Not that I'm going to start posting like yoke videos and me doing pull-ups. I just want to show my life as a whole because I constantly fuck up day in and day out, but I also constantly am learning. And I think there's a lot of stuff that I'm doing that you guys could learn from. I want Ken White Construction to remain showing the guys and the girls, showing the culture, showing quality of work, still the hype reels, still the great content that you guys know, but that's going to be on the Ken White Construction page and that will remain. And we're still going to do content for Pride Tech and Ken White and all that. But I'm also going to have a personal brand that's going to show the back end of all that and not just the businesses, stuff that I'm doing. If I'm going away and doing something, or maybe a video on how I manage work-life balance and how that looks like with 3 kids, or maybe I'm redoing one of my barns at home on the new farm and I want to showcase that. It doesn't limit me to just being odd of like, why is Ken White Construction posting a video of Taylor doing a workout on the weekend and talking about his kids? Because I just want to watch construction, dude, which still will be construction, but I think you kind of get my point. So that is the reasoning of why we're rebranding things and going a different way. I would love feedback from you guys as to what are your thoughts? What are you thinking? What you want to see and what you don't want to see? Maybe you don't care to, and that's okay to see a bit of me. I expect kind of viewership to kind of fluctuate as we make this transition, but I think in the long run, I feel better about myself not worrying about having to do a brand deal, not having to do advertisements, not having to appeal to anybody, but just make content that I'm proud of, that I know that you can get value out of. That's what's going on. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I hope to share more in the future. We have some really cool stuff planned as well too. But again, let us know in the comments below what you want to see. Make sure to subscribe, check out our Instagrams, all that fun stuff, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.